The goal today isn't to predict every candle, it's to understand the bigger picture and trade with a clear, disciplined plan.
So, all right, guys, let's roll. Today, trading pure, we're going to be trading pure today. No overcomplication, just candlestick patterns and my personal methodology. So the first trade is going to be long. I'm working strictly off this support zone. This is where buyers typically step in. Their behavior is clear in the former candles. Every spike, every rejection confirms what this zone holds firm. So for your reference, I'll annotate key elements directly on the chart as I analyze them. So here's those momentum surges I mentioned earlier. Critical note, this level already showing minor wear, predicting its durability isn't straightforward as it should be. That's why I'm executing bounce trades on 1 minute candles with 1 minute expirations, no hesitation. So the way to nail timing, and this is the way we nail timing and maintain control of trading. So growing the deposit with $20, I can't afford any mistakes, and yeah, nailed it. First profit secured. So testing multiple currency pairs today. I'll break down their core differences live and which will suit you as a beginner versus moderate risk and high volatility profiles. So scanning for the next entry now. Stand by. Something interesting is coming. So here we go. The price is stuck in a tight channel. I'll mark it for better visualization. So trading AUD, USD, lower volatility, but it's higher stability. It's very ideal for beginners, smooth movements, better predictability, and reduced stress for you. So clear down trade on the chart. We're going short. That's the only logical option. That's what we're going to be playing here. So scanning for optimal entry zone while monitoring the candle behavior. So this is scalping. Its core advantages lies in rapid small account growth. So it's very quick and very good, very precise for you. So I started with $20. I'm aiming for triple digits, which is absolutely achievable using this. I want you to remember that I have years of experience when it comes to this. Newcomers shouldn't trade like this, mirror my trades blindly, because it can get costly for you. So start very small instead. Join my Telegram and you can see what I do there. The description is in the link below there. I'll be sharing my market insights and my trades, and you can see how it's done. Hit me up there and you see it's a very special thing that's going on there. The results will definitely surprise you. So here, I'm going to be entering long. Okay, the support zone sits right below the current price. Predictable rejection. Though the level is still downward. So we're marking each spike, those green candles with long lower wicks. So we're developing a reaction now. The price is starting to bounce upward. So to understand currency volatility, just observe candle sizes and movement speed. So steady momentum here, small candle bodies mean predictable moves and cleaner entries. Downside, low liquidity, sometimes market just freezes with no movement. But if you prefer stability over action, this is your pair. So we're going to be taking profits here. Moving on, let me show you something different now. So back to the AUD CAD, remember my previous long entry support? So the market has flipped now. I'm going to be shorting this pair. So demonstrating how strong levels work, especially after multiple tests. So simple logic, when price breaks below pressure zone, it becomes resistance, blocking rallies. When the price holds above, the same level turns to support. So essentially, we flip the sides after breakout. So here's a key insight. It works both ways, provides perfect trade entry signals, and volatility profiles differ completely in this pair. Notice the aggressive environment. Larger candles, sharper moves, borderline chaotic at times. Challenging for beginners to say the least. Okay, here we go. Another profitable trade. Accounts now at $250. Still below the targets. We're going to be pushing forward. So we're switching the pairs now. High volatility instruments carry risk. They are unpredictable. Market sentiment shifts in milliseconds, but that's what makes trading thrilling. Onwards, team. So okay, now we're observing USD CHF, the mid-tier difficulty instruments. I've entered shorts, established downtrend here with multiple resistance zones. So I'm currently marking just one key level. The order flow clearly shows bears dominating, red candles consistently controlling the price action. So we're now seeing rejection. My focus price will continue its long-term decline. For risk reward balance, beginners should focus on USD CAD and AUD USD. For intraday and mid-term strategies, avoid long-term positions with these pairs. So global market instability makes them potentially unprofitable in the long term. Okay, wow, another profit. Though that spike nearly stopped me out. So price action here looks abnormal. We're going to be switching to more predictable conditions. Team, only one key trend line applies here. We need to measure pullback trajectory to identify potential entry points. That's what we're going to be looking for here. So we could wait for the test price to curve over the peak, but experience suggests reversal will come sooner. Extreme selling pressure, evidence from these massive red candles here. Here's what's interesting. Their size was completely different before. Now we're seeing volatility shift. These mood swing pairs are among the toughest to trade. Unpredictability often throws traders off. I strongly advise beginners to avoid them. They demand constant strategy switches, which is both exhausting and very risky. So actually I spotted the rejection early thanks to that upper wick that we saw there. It revealed immediate selling pressure, and now final seconds, boom, got it, profit. So team, we've executed this exactly as planned. Now I will be switching instruments. So account is now at $800. Solid momentum is building. So we're entering again with a bottom up diagonal, forecasting upside. So the candle shows rejection. Buying pressure may intensify in this growth phase. Longs have the edge. Team, I'm selecting only the cleanest, highest probability entries, price tested zones I know intimately. But remember, don't memorize patterns. Experience and practice matter the most. Mastery comes with time. I strongly advise testing these methods on a demo account first with strict risk management. So what is it and how to use it? All crucial details are in my Telegram channel now. The link is in the description below. Join now. So we're currently focusing on pattern breakdowns and currency pair finances. Perfect. Another successful trade close. Smooth execution. Market is unusually stable today. But honestly, these selected pairs have ideal dynamics for us. You can trade them too. Just remember their behavior changes depending on the day of the week. They're very volatile. So we're going short. Sellers are clearly dominating now. Let's analyze each step by step for clarity. So first pullback has succeeded. The trend slowly but held. It's good here. Then came the second pullback. So clearer selling pressure here emerging and still insufficient to break the momentum. The third rejection did it. Trend structure finally broke and the direction is reversed. Note those candle wicks exceptionally long. The sharpest reversals constantly follow them. They reveal the entire market narrative. So master these signals and you reliably grow small accounts or trade stress-free with consistent profits. Brilliant, we've built a solid equity now. It would be a shame to squander it. Do you agree, yeah? Let's analyze one final trade together before wrapping up. So we're back to the AUD CHF. Started with it, we'll finish with it. Currently in breakout phase, market participants aggressively buying. Time to go long before it's too late. The pattern plays out like this. So first comes the level breakout, then brief consolidation followed by powerful surge. The move often extends since price targets are not the nearest but the next significant level. So showing you the framework, the formula works across all currency pairs regardless of volatility characteristics. So the key insight is that currency pairs aren't the main factor. Yes, differences matter, but your trading approach and core principles matter even more. Every component is crucial. A car without wheels or engine is just metal junk. Trading works the same way. So build yourself systematically, trading plan, strategy, psychology, pair specific knowledge, and only when all work in sync will you have real progress in your hands. So first position close, it's time to scale even further. A correction is always a second chance to enter. We missed the first one, it's no problem, it's binary, either up or down. Your job is to catch the optimal price moments and profit from it. So scalping is a powerful deposit boosting tool, but also amongst the riskiest of them. So hopefully today I clarified a currency pair differences for you. Now you know how to handle them. As for me, I am still hoping to close this last trade profitably and end this on a high note. So look, though it will be, honestly, it will be funny to take a loss now, trading guarantees you nothing. Constant self-doubt and double checking are mandatory when it comes to trading. So even if I lose $3,000, just remember I started with $20. Current balance shows 1,500%, more than enough for me. Final seconds, come on, waiting for that spike. Yes, absolutely perfect. $7,000, folks. That's scalping magic right there. It's time to sum up. So are you still not subscribed to this channel? Well, this far in, all you have to do now is like, share, subscribe, comment, and also my Telegram channel. Subscribe to that. The link is in the description below. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video.